All right, here we are at the C-10s in the ballpark in Milton. This is our second show. We had the first show in April, and this is our October 25th show. I go through and video all the trucks that we have. A total of 17 trucks today, and pretty much every single one of them is pretty nice. Yeah. Hondos Speed Shop. He's one of our sponsors. Yeah, good looking truck. Yeah, nice. 6-cylinder. I bought Freddie's truck. Yeah, that's good. Oh, this one's sweet. This truck's gonna win something. I'm sure of that, because this thing is clean. Very pretty. Put together very well. Yeah, in the first show, we didn't have any four-wheel drives on the first show, so happy to see them. Nice truck here, old school style. Looking pretty good. Yeah, looking real good. This truck sounds good. Man, this sounds really good. He comes to swap meet every month. Sells parts. Nice. Yeah, this one's super clean. Nice little LS motor in it. I guess probably a 5.7. Clean little truck. Had a cam in it. Nice sounding exhaust. Interior's clean. That's nice and right here. Another four-wheel drive. We didn't have any 4x4s like this in the first show, so I'm happy to see them here. Yeah, that looks good. That looks real good. Bob Hartley's truck. Nice, clean, hot rod.
The AC worked, but it didn't have any.
Yeah, good looking truck. Paddle shifters. I like the big wheels, big rally. They look good. Looks like he's got free tires today. Now, this guy left early last month, or last couple weeks ago at the Milton swap meet, and he was gonna win best wheels that day. He had to leave early, and he didn't get to win. He left about an hour before judging was over, and so hopefully he'll get something cool today. He was at our first show too.